ChatGPT is awesome, right? I can ask anything I want and I get back one single answer that helps me. Well, yes and no, because there is one big problem about ChatGPT. You should be aware of hallucinations. Hallucinations simply mean that ChatGPT can create incorrect and non-context related output that still sounds perfectly plausible. Let me give you one example for such hallucinations. This is our website, academic.com, and this article here was written on March 28, 2022. Now, as you learned in this course already, the cutoff date for the data ChatGPT-4 was trained with is September 2021. So what if I now take the URL of this specific article and paste it here with some nice text like, please summarize this article for me. ChatGPT comes up with an answer pretending to know what the article is all about. Now, pretending here is important because, as you know, ChatGPT by default has no internet access. And as it doesn't have this access and was trained with data until September 2021 only, it has no way to access the actual information of this article. What it does though is it takes the URL, which states the core content of this article, and then adds information based on the data it was trained with, pretending to know what the article is all about. It simply gives you the impression within this tutorial by Academind that it really summarizes the content of this website, of this article. And I won't dive into whether this is right or wrong, what is written here. The thing you have to be careful about when using ChatGPT is that it sometimes provides output that seems to be correct, but actually isn't. ChatGPT gets better and better, so such problems will become less important probably in the future, but at the time when recording this video, hallucinations or incorrect output can occur in ChatGPT 4.